Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set alerts and reminders in your group chats using Telegram bots. So I have a group chat here currently consisting of me and my other account. But for example, let's say this is for a group of friends and you want to set a reminder for a gathering or something of the sort. Then all we have to do to get started is to open up our members and add a specific bot. So let's do this by clicking on this context menu in the top right and then clicking on manage group. Here, let's go to members and then let's click on add members. Going to type here add alert bot and I'm going to add this particular bot to the group chat. So I'm going to click on add and the alert bot has been added. So let's say I want to start setting up a reminder. I'm going to type in the command slash alert. And I'm going to type in how long before it sends the reminder or alert. So let's say 2 days. Then the text associated with the reminder. So let's say group gathering and food fest. Going to hit enter to send and the bot will automatically schedule it. So as you can see, alert bot has replied, your message has been scheduled, its ID is 0. So the ID is to identify which alert it is if you have multiple alerts already scheduled in your chat history. So that was a quick and easy tip on how you can remain organized and updated in your group chats on the Telegram app. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.